delicious tomato tofu egg is done. Every bite has eggs and tofu plus sweet and sour tomato sauce. It really goes well with rice. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. 8. Eggs are rich in protein and contain 8 essential amino acids required by the human body. The protein quality and amino acid composition are excellent, making them a good dietary protein supplement. Tofu is high protein, low fat, lowering blood pressure, lowering blood lipids, and lowering cholesterol. It can be eaten raw or cooked, suitable for all ages, and is a delicious delicacy that can preserve health. The biological value of soybean protein is comparable to that of fish and is the leader among plant proteins. Soy protein is a complete protein with a relatively good amino acid composition and contains almost all the amino acids necessary for the human body. I like Easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.